Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about our body weight training exercise, the squat to walkout push-up. This exercise is part of a get down. Get downs in body weight training are the opposite of get ups. We do many various versions of get ups because they are fundamental human actions. When people get down to the ground, we would like them to work on getting up in as many varied ways as possible so that under stress or under athletic requirement, they get up automatically with one of the default patterns that they have trained in their body weight program. We have get ups with our chest pointed towards the sky, get ups with our chest pointed towards the ground, get ups from our left shoulder, get ups from our right shoulder, and get downs for all of those things as well. We train the ideas from both sides, from the ground up and from the top down. This exercise is composed of three components: the body weight squat, the walkout, and the push-up. Setting up for our body weight squat, 2 feet pointed generally straight ahead because that's the way we walk. Arms straight out in front, parallel to the ground, shoulder height. Get down as low as you can, sit back in your heels as far as your pants will allow. Rock forward, hands come down to the ground. Walk out to our push-up position, do a push-up, walk back, stay low, heels all the way flat on the ground, stand all the way up. Arms out in front, get all the way down, hands down, walk out, straight legs, do the push-up, walk back, heels flat on the ground, elevate the arms up in front to extend the upper spine, stand all the way up. The important things to remember in this movement are we want to keep our heels on the ground as long as possible. When we squat to full depth, try and get your tailbone as low as possible before you start the walkout. When you do the walkout, all the way out, hands directly underneath your shoulders, all the way down, chest to the ground, elbows tight to the body, press all the way up until elbows lock all the way out. Walk your hands back, stay low to the ground, transition back to the bottom of the squat. Pause. Arms straight out in front to verticalize the spine, then stand all the way up. You can do this move fast, but it works better if you do it deliberately. Pause at each important point for about 1 second and then transition through. Think of this as a reverse burpee. With a burpee, you would put your hands on the ground and move your legs back, move your legs forward and stand up. This is the opposite of that. Get all the way down in your squat, go all the way forward, do your push-up, get all the way back, stand all the way up. Usually this is part of a larger program where you would practice the individual pieces and then the larger piece altogether, and then you would integrate even more direction changes into this over time. Moving to the side, moving left, moving right, dropping a hip, all those factors are built off of this one basic movement pattern. Get down, go forward, get back, get up.